Hey guys, okay, so today I'll be showing you how to build a landing page with Instabuilder. Okay, so I know I use ClickFunnels and it is expensive, it's $97 a month. So basically you guys can use ClickFunnels. Okay, now I've helped somebody here and I have installed ClickFunnels on his account and I've shown him how to get the coupon codes for advertisement and all that stuff, free SSL. That is what Google requires. Okay, so anyway, let's move on to Instabuilder. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to do this with Instabuilder, and I'm doing it on Stanley's WordPress blog. So you'll go on Instabuilder and this is how you'll create a page. So you'll go and create a new page. Now, the way we are doing it here, you can do different kind of squeeze pages, but what I've seen, Google doesn't want something which is directly linked. It wants a kind of an intermediary section where you put your email link before you then take them to the affiliate link. So I'll go to squeeze pages, okay, and I will go on subtype two-step opt-in. So we want that two-step opt-in, and now you can choose this. This is looking good, and you can change the background and all that kind of stuff, but I want to keep this simple and I will choose this one. So let's give it some time to load. Let us just wait until it's loaded fully. And now it's loaded. So you'll come and click on this and then click edit. So it lets you edit this to something like learn. Now let's just use a bold one. So learn, I'm using the same font, learn affiliate marketing. Okay, marketing, that's it. Then we'll remove this and we will remove this. Now we don't need a timer, so we'll remove this timer. It's quite straightforward, just do that and delete. Just need to click on the page and then it comes out. So here you will say something like edit, click on edit here, and here we can say we can put this in orange and we can say start your affiliate business. Okay, and then learn how you can earn commissions I don't know if that spelling is right, commissions online from anywhere in the world. Okay, in the world, and then all you require, something like that, all you require is a smartphone, is stable internet, stable internet and smartphone and a laptop or smartphone, okay, something like that. Now we don't want to say download the report, so we'll click on this. We'll click on this and we'll go on settings. So button text, here you will say get started now. Okay, get started now. Then you will click on this again and you will go on settings and you will see the target link. So it's a pop-up. So we'll order or edit the pop-up, and we don't need this. We just want this, and we'll delete this. And now we are remaining with this. So we want somebody to subscribe to our email list, and that's what we will come and do here. You will come and go on settings again, and now instead of subscribe, before we go there, settings, and we need to, okay, let's just do this first. Once we are on, we want the opt-in for from HTML for get response. So this is how you do, and it's explaining you how to do that. Now here they're saying navigate to forms legacy, but things have changed. Okay, get response has changed its system. So what we do is we go on email marketing, we go on forms and create form, and we will go on and create a plain HTML code. Then we want nothing else apart from email. So subscribe, that's okay. Then here you can choose the campaign where you want the subscribers to go to. If you've created an autoresponder campaign, if you have not, then okay, you need to submit to a campaign. Then if there is an autoresponder, you can add and say what messages to start and all that kind of thing. So I will put that, and then custom thank you page. This is where you will put your link, your affiliate link. Now this one will be from Volt Media or Powerhouse Affiliate. If you are a free member, then of course it will be from Powerhouse Affiliate. If it will be, or the thank you page which you have created with the video and all that, which I was showing you yesterday. So that's what you'll be putting here. Now this is what we want. We want email only, and that's it. Okay, so we just want to copy all this. So I'll put here google.com just for the sake of it. Sorry. And that's it. So we'll just copy this, all of it, control all, copy, and we put it on this and save. That's it. So that's how we create a landing page. Now I've made a mistake here, so we need to edit this out. So I just need to click on edit and remove that. Okay, and save. So that is how you create a landing page. Now let's look at how this will look like. So this one is copyright edit, and it's copyright 2018, and this one will be biz with Stan. Okay, and that's it, guys. So save. Now the only thing we do is change the permalink, edit, and we want this one to be Powerhouse. Okay, and say okay. Close, then publish, and then we can go on this link. See our page. Need to remove this. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's our page. Learn affiliate marketing, start your affiliate business, learn how you can earn commissions online from anywhere in the world. All you require is stable internet and a laptop or a smartphone.